You're about to watch the Polly Detmers channel. Enjoy.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers! What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmers!
So we want to go to the beach. Beach. Yep, this is the place. As a kid, coming here. You can hop out, Lily. Yeah, I think I was about, actually, last time I was here is probably 11 years old. I can hear the tornado sirens going off. It's Saturday, and I hope that it's just a test. Animals must be on a 6-foot leash. Little lady isn't going to like that when I put her on a leash. Oh wow, you can play horseshoes here? Little lady, I got to put you on your leash. Very familiar, but it used to look so much bigger when I was a kid. Somehow, some way. I think this is where? We're going over there? Okay, I can move down there. We can move the truck down that way. Yep. I swam in this lake when I was a little kid a few times. Our mom and dad, they told us to go out and play. We'd go home. We'd have the worst sunburns you could ever imagine. That's how it was in the 70s. You got sunburns every summer. And I got sunburned right on this beach. I'm remembering this all very clearly now. It is evident there are dogs here by the sign of the dog crap. So this is where we're going to be, right here. And I'm going to use this without having some kind of nasties affecting my food. I brought the FEASTO. I'm gonna get the charcoals fired up and it's gonna be showtime. Finally. It's almost 2 o'clock already. Here at the Ortonville Recreation Area. Alright, I've been waiting for this moment all day. Finally, time to ignite the charcoal chimney. A little windier than I'd like it to be, but can't be nitpicky. Oh, I didn't know this recreation area was a cemetery too. Huh? little lady says, huh? All right, folks, I had to relocate the charcoal chimney over here. Never mind that guy back there. But yeah, this is blocking the wind, so it's all gonna work out fine. Got little lady some pork rinds. She's happy. And there goes the state boy on the John Deere tractor. These guys are working hard. Little lady says she's going to go for a walk. I know you all heard that. The boat launch, boat ramp, whatever you want to call it, it's down that little hill. Do we have people swimming out there? Yeah. Little lady, what are you, a parrot? You're repeating everything I say. So what would it be without a little bit of beer? Out on a picnic? It would be alcohol free. But not today. Cheers. Pretty good for piss water. I think it's hot enough. Are you looking at me at all?
Yeah, okay.
All right, I think it's hot enough. I I hope so. It's all the charcoal we brought. It's gonna be fine. I'm gonna put on my modified, remember I modified this charcoal grate with that frame underneath it, so I'm gonna put it on the lowest setting so it doesn't catch on fire. I mean, I am using these grill grates right here, and that prevents flare-ups too. Little lady is a camera lady, so I hope you see everything good. We have no time to waste because I have a whole bunch of stomach space. Yeah, we'll let those heat up a little bit and we'll do a little throw down here on the FEASTO BBQ grill. Little lady's giving me a pat down. I don't know why. Oh, because I'm stepping on the matches. Here in the Great Lakes State. Do we have a native out there in a canoe? Nope. It's got the white skin. I have 4 chicken thighs in here, and I want you to observe how I use my precise precision ways of applying this to the grill grate. Here we go. Watch. Uh-oh. Gonna have a little bit of a poisoning from that plastic. That's how you do it, folks. You just drop it. Where'd the tongs go? Right there. I did not bring an extra plate so I could season these or anything, so actually what I'm going to do, those are some big thighs. I'm going to put them on the underside, actually fat side up first. Well, put a little rub on there, get them close together so I'm not wasting it. This Cosmos Honey Killer Bee is great. And then when I flip it over, which I'll do as soon as I put this on, I'll put it on the other side. Man, this wind, it's killing me. Stop. But it's okay. No worries. That's gonna season that grill grate real nice. So I'm gonna flip them over. I may have to raise up this grill grate because the lady doesn't want to be here all day and night. She said, "Don't do that." Before the wind kicks back in. Oh yeah. Okay, let's turn this thing over and see what we got going on. Oh yeah, we got some nice color. That's all I wanted to get. As you can see, I already did flip one over. We got a sticker. Okay. Oh crap. Showing off for the beach, but nobody's at the, well, there's 3 men at the beach. I love this lake though. People are not responsible anymore. They let their dogs loose and they don't pick up after them. And the little lady has been on poop patrol and she spotted some over here, so this is like her little barricade so the Detmers doesn't step in it. It's working so far. She is great. Folks, the FEASTO is one hot barbecue grill. What I ended up doing was I raised the grill grates to the warming rack. It's going to continue cooking there for the duration of this cook, as long as I don't let those get away from me. It's going to be good. It is currently 74 degrees, so very comfortable. The breeze we could do without, but little lady and I were having a good time. all by ourselves. Yeah. Take a look. Oh yeah, looking good. Hopefully I don't lose these. I'm gonna raise this thing. The little lady just informed me that the FEASTO portable barbecue grill is great to take to picnics and stuff. And you know what? I have to agree with her. We got a nice boat. But look at that truck. I love that truck.
Yeah.
That boat's kind of overkill. So this morning, all I had, or I should say, only thing I've eaten today is half a banana. Why half? Because little lady ate the other half. She has a thing about cutting a banana in half and eating one part of it and leaving it there. So I ate the other half, and then I had some coffee, some Dr. Pepper Zero, and some water. And I think that's it. So drinking this beer really hit the spot. I don't have any more. Demerds, what the heck? You're just cooking some chicken on the FEASTO BBQ grill. And whoa, I almost stepped in the dog. I'm telling you, the setting is what makes this so special. Here in the Great Lakes State. Let's take a look. I did have to turn these over again because I don't want them to be overcooked on the... Oh my goodness, look at those. Huh. In other words, water skiing. Ample parking here at the Ortonville recreation area. And it goes beyond the eye. Very cool place. Let's get a little sauce on it. I did not bring any blue tuna with me. I got that stuff. Nothing wrong with Sweet Baby Ray's. It's better than most of the other commercial stuff. I'm gonna turn these over. Don't be confused with them being a turnover. Alright, gonna put a dollop on each one. I'll just do one side. Can I lick the brush, little lady?
No.
Little lady says, no. She says, don't do that. All right. She done. Little lady's got her fork ready. Little lady's got her thigh. She's about to put some of that mustard potato salad, my favorite type of potato salad. I do like a Cajun style. I haven't had that since like 1988. But here's mine, same thing. We're gonna dig in. Looks pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, the wind has really picked up. It's okay. Not gonna stop us from eating this FEASTO chicken thigh meal. Let's try this store-bought potato salad. Very good. That's good, huh? Chicken is rocking though. Absolutely cooked to perfection. Folks, is that a grown man riding on a big wheel? Are you kidding?
Seriously.
What a goof. That's right, this guy's riding on a big wheel. Checking his son.
Good for the heart.
Yes, sir. He said good for the legs and good for the heart. Jeez. Four barbecued chicken thighs, she gone. 1 pound of potato salad, she gone. But I still got my Dr. Pepper Zero. Folks, old boy on the big wheel's over back there. I think he's drunk because he crashed into the curb.
That's all.
I have never seen a grown man on a big wheel. He keeps crashing into the curb too. Never in my life have I ever seen a barbecue grill for handicap or people with disabilities. This is a first. Going kind of fast on the pontoon boat. Kind of sentimental, fond memories. Because aside from cousins and my brother and sister, everybody that I was here with, aunts, uncles, grandmother, they're gone. They're dead. So, kind of, yeah, just, I feel for this place. I have feelings for this place, I should say.